I just parked. I am here at the Tarrus Riley event, and we're getting ready to go inside. I see some vendors and I hear the music. This is the Tarrus Riley event that's going on in Fort Lauderdale. It's a free event unless you want VIP, and that is under $80. There's it's a free event, but you have to pay for parking, which is about $10. How do we get over there? Yeah, maybe that guy can show us how to get over to the other side. We got here a little early. Me and my friend Yannick, at the Tarrus Riley event. This is the early juggling. I think we start at, they say they're gonna start at 5 p.m. and go until about 10 p.m. Greetings.
Greetings.
This is Marie's Message 411 TV. What time show start?
Start already.
Start already?
Start while you reach. Pick up yourself.
You too. I'm gonna see a little more, no worry. This is where the vendors are set up. They have bar with alcohol, they have food, Victoria's food and catering. Hello, ladies.
Hi.
Tell me a little bit about your catering.
I delicious food and catering. I cater all types of events. I do soul food, seafood, whatever you need. I can meet those needs. And you know what? I make food that make the soul grow.
Yeah, I love it. Greetings, greetings.
Greetings, Aya. How you doing?
I'm good. Tell me a little bit about your business.
Well, this is one of a kind cultural design, and it's actually 98% handmade by me.
So these are handmade jewelry by you?
Yes, and the skirts.
You have the skirts.
Yes, and the shirts. And then I have a special cream I have to still put it out.
Okay, I'll be back. Thank you. So my friend Yannick here. Yes, we have security at this event. The Tarrus Riley event in Fort Lauderdale. See all the vendors getting themselves ready. You can see all the different flags. All the Caribbean flags. All of the flags. And there's my flag. The fire crew just arrived. Yes, they have emergency personnel in case anything happens while we're out here.
I know that's not lady song. I know lady song.
No, it's just an advertisement.
Through this valley of tears, and I never been a weak heart in the wilderness. The power of Jah preserve I and guides in all that I do now. So treading through the heights and the dips, we trample frustration and we conquer stress. The power of Jah. If you have the heart of a lion, push up a lion paw like this. Oh yeah. All the evil that mean me harm, well they can go back where they came from. Sure, no demonic work perform shall prosper. I love the vibes. We tell you and the science man come. Because it can't touch with hey, no demonic will perform. Who jobless? Alright, sure, we give thanks for life. We give thanks for life.